Oxygen-Supreme Dispenser installation. Opening the dispenser. Push the button located at the bottom of the dispenser. To open dispensers with key locks, insert the provided key into the lock located at the bottom of the dispenser and push firmly. Do not twist or turn the key. Wall mounting the dispenser. The dispenser may be positioned at any height. Install the dispenser as far away as possible from air extraction units, open doors, and open windows to ensure that the fragrance remains in the room. It is best to position the dispenser in the middle of the room, at the end of the room, or under the sink. The Oxygen-Supreme dispenser can be mounted on the wall in two ways. Double-sided tape. Clean the surface using the provided alcohol swab. Dry the surface with a clean tissue. Peel the release paper from the double-sided tape at the back of the dispenser. Open the dispenser and with the aid of the bubble level, carefully stick the dispenser to the wall. Hold the dispenser in place for 45 seconds. Screws. Use the template provided in the instruction manual to mark and drill 2 holes. Insert wall plugs. Align dispenser with the holes and insert and tighten the screws. Screws and plugs are not included. Always check that the dispenser is mounted in an upright position before installing the cartridge to ensure proper functioning. Setting up the dispenser. Open the dispenser, open the battery compartment, and insert 2 AA alkaline batteries. Make sure you only use alkaline batteries. The dispenser will not function properly if the batteries are not alkaline. Dispenser setting. Use the normal echo mode switch located on the lower left side to select normal mode or echo mode setting. A dispenser operating in echo mode offers battery savings by disabling the green light and buzzer alerts during the cartridge cycle. Cartridges are guaranteed to last for 30, 60, or 90 days, depending on the chosen settings. Set the dispenser at 30, 60, or 90 days using the switch at the lower right side to customize your fragrance experience. Here's a quick guide. Opt for the 30 days setting for a strong, intense fragrance. For a perfectly balanced medium intensity experience, stay with the default 60 days setting. For a lighter, subtle fragrance, select the 90 days setting. Installing the cartridge. Tear the protective sleeve off the cartridge and discard the sleeve. To activate the cartridge, rotate the cap counterclockwise to the on position. Ensure the cap is aligned with the on position. Use the 2 ribs at the base of the cartridge as a guide and push the cartridge firmly into the dispenser until it locks into place. Gently push on the 4 corners of the cartridge to ensure the cartridge is firmly in place. A green light starts flashing continuously for the first 2 minutes, indicating proper installation. The green light flashing once indicates that the dispenser is in the 30 days setting, 1 month. The green light flashing twice indicates that the dispenser is in the 60 days setting, 2 months. The green light flashing 3 times indicates that the dispenser is in the 90 days setting, 3 months. After the initial 2 minutes, the green light reappears every 5 minutes in the normal mode. If the dispenser is in the echo mode, the green light will not appear after the initial 2 minutes. The light will turn to orange to indicate cartridge needs replacement. The light will turn to red to indicate batteries need replacement. To check if the dispenser is functioning properly, toggle the normal echo mode switch back and forth, which will trigger a 2-minute green light flash. How to remove the cartridge. An orange light will start flashing every 10 seconds to indicate that the cartridge is empty and needs to be replaced. To eject the empty cartridge, open the dispenser and press the push button at the base of the dispenser to release and remove the empty cartridge. In the normal mode, if the cartridge is not replaced, the buzzer will be activated after 7 days and will beep every 30 seconds. The buzzer will not get activated if the dispenser is set to echo mode. Battery replacement. A red light starts flashing to indicate that the batteries are weak and need to be replaced immediately. One set of 2 AA alkaline batteries will last for a minimum of 1 year. Oxygen Supreme. Experience unparalleled air freshness.